Disasters, whether natural or man-made, have left lasting scars on the United States, testing its resilience time and again. Today, we delve into 6 recent disasters in the USA, exploring the devastating events that shook the nation, their impacts, and the lessons learned. Let's uncover these disasters in descending order of occurrence. Number 1. The Maui wildfires, August 2024. In August 2024, the picturesque Hawaiian island of Maui was ravaged by one of the deadliest wildfires in modern U.S. history. A perfect storm of drought conditions, strong winds fueled by Hurricane Dora, and dry vegetation created the catastrophic firestorm. The historic town of Lahaina bore the brunt, with over 100 fatalities and thousands of structures reduced to ashes. The blaze displaced families, destroyed livelihoods, and highlighted challenges in disaster preparedness for remote locations. This tragedy has intensified debates about climate change and the importance of wildfire management strategies. Number 2. Hurricane Idalia, August 2023. In August 2023, Hurricane Idalia swept across Florida's Gulf Coast, unleashing unprecedented storm surges and torrential rainfall. This Category 4 hurricane caused widespread flooding, significant infrastructure damage, and power outages for millions. Cities like Cedar Key faced near-total devastation, with roads submerged and homes destroyed. The economic toll surpassed $10 billion, making it one of the most expensive disasters of the year. Idalia underscored the increasing intensity of hurricanes due to warming oceans and the urgent need for improved coastal defenses. Number 3. East Palestine train derailment, February 2023. In February 2023, a freight train carrying hazardous chemicals derailed in East Palestine, Ohio, near the Pennsylvania border. The derailment caused a massive fire and forced the release of toxic vinyl chloride into the air. Thousands of residents evacuated as environmental concerns grew over water and soil contamination. The disaster prompted national discussions on rail safety regulations, corporate accountability, and the long-term health effects of chemical exposure on affected communities. Number 4. Kentucky tornado outbreak, December 2021. December 2021 witnessed a rare and devastating tornado outbreak across Kentucky and surrounding states. Over 70 tornadoes touched down, including an EF4 tornado that carved a path of destruction for over 160 miles. Entire towns like Mayfield were nearly obliterated. The death toll exceeded 80, with countless others injured and left homeless. The outbreak was a stark reminder of the vulnerability of central U.S. states to extreme weather events, raising awareness about building codes and the need for enhanced early warning systems. Number 5. Texas winter storm, February 2021. In February 2021, a severe winter storm gripped Texas, plunging the state into a deep freeze. Unprepared for such extreme cold, Texas's power grid failed catastrophically, leaving millions without electricity and heat for days. Burst pipes flooded homes, food supplies dwindled, and the death toll reached over 200. The disaster exposed systemic flaws in the state's energy infrastructure and sparked debates about climate resilience and energy policy reform. Number 6. California wildfires, summer 2020. The summer of 2020 was marked by relentless wildfires across California, fueled by record-breaking heat and dry conditions. The August complex fire became the largest wildfire in California's history, scorching over 1 million acres. Entire communities were evacuated, and air quality plummeted across the western United States. The wildfires highlighted the growing threat of climate change, with discussions around forest management and reducing carbon emissions taking center stage. These 6 disasters serve as sobering reminders of the power of nature and the consequences of human actions. From wildfires to hurricanes and man-made calamities, each event underscores the urgent need for preparation, adaptation, and a collective commitment to safeguarding our future. As we reflect on these tragedies, let us also focus on the resilience of the human spirit and the importance of learning from the past to build a better tomorrow.